Ever wondered how to buy and sell cryptocurrency? In the rapidly evolving world of digital assets, it's important to understand the basics. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toe into the crypto pool, knowing how to navigate the buying and selling process is crucial. Picture this. You've been following the rise of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. You've seen stories of people making fortunes, and you're ready to try your hand at it. But where do you start? The answer lies in understanding the steps involved in buying and selling cryptocurrency. Start by selecting a cryptocurrency exchange. These are platforms where you can buy, sell, and hold digital assets. Two popular exchanges are Coinbase and Kraken. Coinbase is great for beginners with its user-friendly interface and educational resources. Kraken, on the other hand, offers lower fees and a host of features like margin and futures trading. Once you've chosen your exchange, it's time to set up an account. This often involves verifying your identity and linking a payment method such as a bank account or a credit card. Remember, fees and settlement times can vary depending on the method you choose. Now, you're ready to make your first cryptocurrency purchase. But hold on, it's not as simple as clicking a button. You'll need to place an order, and there are 3 types of orders you can make: market, limit, or stop. A market order is when you buy or sell a cryptocurrency at the current market price. A limit order is when you set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. And a stop order, also known as a stop-loss order, is when you set a price at which your cryptocurrency will be sold automatically to limit your losses. Once your order is placed and your purchase is confirmed, your cryptocurrency will be stored in your digital wallet on the exchange. It's like a bank account for your digital assets. But remember, cryptocurrencies are volatile and trading them can be risky. So it's important to do your research, understand the market trends, and invest wisely. It's also crucial to prioritize security. Make sure your digital wallet is secure and consider using hardware wallets for added protection against hacks or theft. So there you have it. The world of cryptocurrency trading is at your fingertips. It's an exciting, dynamic space that's reshaping how we think about money and finance. So why not take the plunge? Get out there and start exploring the world of cryptocurrency trading. It's a journey filled with endless possibilities. But remember, don't just dive in without doing your homework. Understand the risks, stay informed, and make smart, calculated decisions. Happy trading!